Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday. Today is another weigh-in day, and I am here on this beautiful, cool, sunny morning. Good morning, Paisley. As always, here's Paisley. Paisley says good morning. So today is weigh-in day, and another week is behind me, and I have been getting such good vibes with this fall weather. I have been making an effort this week to get out more and do a lot more walking than I have done in the past week. As if you saw last week's video, I told you I haven't been out walking enough. So the weather has been nice. We have had a lot of rain also, so there have been some days where I had to do indoor exercise. So I did that, and I think I had a really good week overall as far as exercise, keeping up with my water, eating on plan, not deviating, and my stress level though has been way up. We've had a lot of stuff going on at work as per usual, so the stress level was up, but it didn't make me eat. And these are things I'm recognizing where in the past, those are the times that I would have opened up the fridge and seeked out some food. When I was on keto, it's still overeating. I would have eaten probably some cheese or some extra protein or what have you. But what I'm noticing now is, especially now, is that I can really overcome stress and emotion and things like that without eating, without even seeking the food, which blows my mind. It is such a good feeling to be in control, and it is something that I've wanted and tried to incorporate in my life for so long, but for some reason I just couldn't get there. So anyway, that's what's going on as far as the stress and whatnot. We are planning on a huge family trip tomorrow to Great Adventures Fright Fest, which is so exciting. I can't wait. We'll be doing a lot of walking, so I plan on wearing really comfortable shoes. And it's supposed to be a beautiful 71 degrees, so looking forward to that. If you're unfamiliar with that, it is a Six Flags park, and it's an amusement park with tons of rides, shows, things like that. And they have, because it's Halloween time, it's called Fright Fest, and they have these zombies walking around and monsters and all kinds of things, and the fog blowing, and just very Halloween themed. So I haven't been there in years, actually, since I'm a kid, so I'm pretty excited to go. And yeah, so it should be fun. Tons of walking. Will, as always, have my Fitbit Charge 2 on. I wear this thing every day and have for probably over 2 years now, and I have only needed 2 replacement bands, but I buy them on Amazon. You can get like a pack of 12, I believe, for like 15 bucks. So if you don't have a Fitbit, I suggest one. It's great. It keeps track of all your steps, your calories burned, can keep track of your sleep to make sure you're getting good sleep, can keep track of your water intake, just a whole host of things. And your exercises, like when I go, let's say, to the gym on the elliptical, I set it for elliptical, so it keeps track of that, and I can sync that to other apps. Like if you're on Weight Watchers, or if you're on keto and you have MyFitnessPal and things like that, you can sync the Fitbit to those other apps so they can help guide you with your weight loss journey. So I did buy this while I was on keto, and I just absolutely love it. A day does not go by where I don't have this on. I sleep with it. I keep this on religiously, except when I take a shower, because you're really not supposed to get it wet. Although some of the newer ones, you can get wet, but I'm just partial to this one. I love it. It's thin, and it doesn't take up a lot of space on the arm, so I recommend a Fitbit if you don't have one, and I'm not sponsored. So let's get into the weight loss. I know you guys are all curious, because I am pretty much at a couple of pounds to goal. The weight loss is going to be obviously very slow, but there are times where you do have a loss, and not just, like an ounce or 2. You may lose a pound, but typically in this period of time, you're probably only going to be losing a couple of ounces at a clip, because like I said, you're already at goal. And what I have been doing this week that's a little bit different is not focusing so much on the scale per se. I'm not on the scale every morning like I was in the beginning. And then there were times I would go the whole week and just want to be surprised, because I know it's not going to be a lot right now. And so anyway, I got on the scale this morning after a really long night out. We went to see a concert last night, which was great. And didn't go to bed till almost 4 a.m. and it is now, oh my God, what time is it? 9 o'clock, and I've already brushed my teeth, gotten dressed, weighed myself, the whole 9 yards. I think I'm gonna crash later. So anyway, let's get to the weigh-in, because I know that's what you want to hear, right? Okay, drum roll, please. That's right, guys. I lost another ½ pound, making my total 37 point. I forget what it is. But you have just seen that little barcode. Some of you are asking me where that picture comes from. There's an app on that's free that you can purchase called Happy Scale, and that is the app that I've used since day one. So you weigh yourself, you input your information each week or however often you weigh yourself, and it keeps a tab, a running total. It also shows you a bar graph, and it also shows you in that picture like I have, it shows you the amount of loss during the week. It shows you the month loss total. It shows you the all-time total. I just love it. I think it's fantastic, and I can go back at any point in time, pick a date, let's say the month of June. Let's say I want to know how much weight I lost in the month of June. I can do that and see exactly the breakdown. So I might next week make that video just a section by section, month by month. Month by month. I need to eat breakfast. Month to month breakdown of my weight loss, so I can share that with you guys, because that'd be interesting to know how much I lost. So I started April 28th, so I technically would have started, you know, as far as a full month goes, in May. So I would have May, June, July, August, and we're almost through September. So almost 5 months, and I am down almost 40 pounds. So that's where we're at, and I'm excited to tell you these things because I would really love for you to reach out to me and talk to me about Optavia and ask me questions. Most of you out there that are curious about it, don't be so curious. Ask me. I am a wealth of information, and I'm willing to share it with you, and that's the best part of this. There is no secrets. I will tell you everything that I did, have done, eat, look forward to. I'll tell you how much the plan costs. I'll tell you what coaching is all about, because I'm a certified health coach, and it's free to you if you join the plan. So ask me your questions, and I will give you a phone call, and we will discuss it. And it's just been a life changer for me, and it can be for you. Or if you know somebody that needs to get healthy and lose some weight and transform. So anyway, that's today's video. I will be vlogging tomorrow at Great Adventure. If you want to see it, let me know below. And that's pretty much it. So have a wonderful day. Have a great week. If you're on plan, stay focused. Use your coach. Talk to them. Ask them questions. I'd be happy to be yours. You just have to let me know. And we'll go from there. So have a wonderful day, guys. I love you all. Stay focused, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.